Here we are back. Give you a full exterior tour of the Ford Fusion. This is our rental car. Of course, we wouldn't know one. These are pieces of shit. Let's see what year this damn thing is. 2011. And it's from the state of Texas. God, this isn't even close to our Goomba. Sorry, that's a damn flaw doesn't fit